Hello children, I am Suchitra here. Welcome to our class first. Subject Social. Today we are going to learn about festivals. The chapter name is Festivals Are Fun. Children, we celebrate many festivals, we pray and have fun during festivals. In our country, we have two types festivals: national festivals and religious festivals. National festivals. National festivals are celebrated in our country.
Festivals. India is a very big country. The people of India speak different languages, practice different religions, and celebrate different festivals. Festivals are a time for fun and celebrations. It is a time for sharing and caring. People wear new clothes, make delicious sweets and special food to share with their friends and relatives. There are some festivals which the whole country celebrates, like Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These are also called national festivals. Religious festivals are celebrated according to the religion one follows. Geeta lived in a town where people from all over India lived. So, throughout the year, they were celebrating some festival or the other. Holi is the festival of colors. People greet each other with colors and sweets. Children have a lot of fun during this festival. When Geeta went out to play with colors, her mother would give her only natural colors to play with. Natural colors are those colors which we get from plants. These colors keep little children safe. For celebrating Eid, people go to the mosque to pray. They wear new clothes and prepare a sweet dish called Sevai.
Eid comes after 30 days of fasting in the month of Ramzan. People greet each other by saying Eid Mubarak. The special dish eaten on this day is called Sevan. People wear new clothes and pray at mosques.
Dussehra is celebrated 20 days before Deepavali. Huge effigies of Ravan, Kumbhakarn, and Meghnad are burnt on this occasion. Deepavali is the festival of lights. Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh are worshipped on this day. People light earthen diyas and candles at night. Many people light firecrackers also.
Diwali. Diwali is called the Festival of Lights. It is celebrated all over India. People pray in temples and at home. People light candles and diyas at home. They burst crackers and burn sparklers. They have gifts and sweets to each other. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. On that day is the birthday of Jesus. On that day, peoples go to church at midnight to pray to Jesus. They decorate their homes and church with Christmas trees. They give gifts to friends and relatives. We all love a Christmas cakes. Guru Purb. Guru Purb celebrates the important days in the lives of the Sikh Gurus. People go to Gurudwaras to pray. They read from the holy book, the Guru Granth Sahib. A community fest or langar is organized at different places. Children, these are all religious festivals. These are some festivals we are celebrated in India. Now let's see about festivals of India, national festivals. We celebrate Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti in our country. The whole nation celebrates these three important days, so we call them our national days.
Next is national festivals. What are national festivals? National festivals are those festivals that are celebrated by all the people of our country. In India, we have three national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. One is Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August, and on this day our Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. Second is Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January, and on Republic Day parade takes place at Rajpath in New Delhi. President of India takes the salute of the Republic Day parade. You should keep in mind that Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August and Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Our third national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd of October and it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January and Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. Apart from national festivals, there are some other days also that we celebrate in our schools. So the first among them is Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November. It is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. So, what is the other day that you celebrate in your school? Yes, Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. It is the birthday of our second president, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. On this day, in every school, the children organize programs to show their love and respect for their teachers.
So children, this is your chapter Festivals Fun. I hope you understand the lesson. I will come up with the next video. See you soon children. Thank you.